Hey, today here at US Roaster Corp, we're going to be talking about the F5 roaster. Blake, the main controls engineer on these Arduino roasters, is going to tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, so this is our touchscreen controller. You can modulate the fan speed or the gas pressure, and this particular model will hold up to 5 profiles, and that stores your bean temperature over time, and whenever you play it back, it'll put in your exact gas pressure and fan speed that you recorded, and you'll be able to see a graph in real time versus what you recorded before, so you can ensure to your customers that your roast is what it was represented to be. So up here you have your roast timer, and your rate of change will be right here, and this displays your bean temperature over time on this graph. And here's your profile screen, so you can select one of your 5 profiles and either hit record or you can hit run to play it back.
Go ahead and turn on the drum motor and exhaust. Maybe we can get the sound. So that's it running. It's super quiet. There's 3 motors inside of it. It's almost all the same parts as a regular roaster, a PLC or push button to the Arduino. There's not a lot of differences overall. Inside the electrical cabinet, it's almost all the same exact stuff. The fuses, your speed drives, your motor protectors, all the same kind of parts we have on the shelf for everything else. So this one also has a catalyst inside of it to burn off the smoke. So there's gas, and the catalyst on the back is electric, and that's what's going to help burn off the smoke. So you're not going to have a lot. Probably about every 6 months or so, you're going to take off the front plate. You're going to check that exhaust tube inside, get a chimney brush, and you can put it on the end of a drill. You can knock all that debris loose. You got your chafe collector on the side with the door. You'll vacuum that out every day. And then you have your front bearing right here. You're going to grease weekly. And then you're also going to have a back bearing that you're going to need to grease weekly as well.
So first, when running the roaster, you would turn the power on, you turn on your drum and your fan motor, and you choose your fan speed. By default it's 50%. Turn on your gas, wait for it to light, and pan up so you can see the gauge. You can see it modulates based on touchscreen controls. I'll just leave it at 50%. And you can change your set point down here in increments of 10 or 100, or you just touch the set point to set it to 100. Our profile screen stores 5 profiles at this time for this particular setup, and you would just select the profile, and you can see the graph on the right of the profile you're selecting before you run it or record over it, and you would just hit run or record right here. And then the graph would be displayed right here. Actually, I'll go ahead and hit run so you can see that. The graph that was recorded is displayed in blue, and the new graph is displayed over that in real time, so you can see exactly how accurate your playback is versus what you recorded. That pretty much covers controls. Here's your stir button. The dump button will just turn on your cooler and stir and open the door for you. Or you can just hit the door button to, or the cooler or stir button to do them individually. And whenever you play back a profile, it will automatically open the door and turn on the stir and open the cooler actuator for you. So it's pulling cool air through the beans to cool them off. That pretty much covers it.